Big up everybody who check in. Remember for like, share, comment and subscribe. Now the people must say it. The government has failed Bolt. Failed to help Bolt recover his money taken at SSL. So now Bolt has requested the help of the FBI. Now the people also say, with the government stating that they want all investigations into the Prime Minister to be put to an end, the people must ask, why is it that if the investigation, if the Prime Minister is innocent, if the investigation would clear his name, why want the investigation to stop? Me make hear what go on, they will continue reasoning. Look and listen.
Their rights and interests. He wants an order that the investigation by any competent authority should end, and or that it would be unfair to continue the investigation in all the circumstances of this case. So he's asking for any investigation that may now be underway, we don't know, by the Financial Investigation Division and or Tax Administration Division, or indeed any other law enforcement agency or investigation agency. He's asking for an order that those investigations come to an end.
Andrew Holness, why you run Ghana court now, Andrew Holness? Why you trying to stop the investigation into your affairs, Andrew Holness?
Fresh drop.
And every time I talk, it look to people, it look to everybody now, like me not like Andrew Holness, or like me not like the JLP. And I am here to assure you all that that is not it. That is not it at all. I just cannot be biased. I cannot be biased like some of the media houses when I see now, being blatantly biased, covering up for Andrew, because them in the corner of the JLP. Me can't do that. Me in the corner of the JLP too, but me can't be biased. And Andrew Holness played the laws to govern the Integrity Commission. The JLP formed the Integrity Commission. And then the JLP gone to court now to fight against the Integrity Commission, to strike down the law that they formulate. No, am I in law land? What the hell is going on? The JLP formulate the law, draft the law, effect the law, and then the JLP gone to court now to say the law is unconstitutional.
Fresh drop.
Where wanna see me blind trial? Hey? How can Andrew Holness, the Prime Minister, run to the court now, doing everything in your powers to stop an investigation into your affairs, when you say that you're clean?
No, it don't look good. And the fact is, the government has failed. The government has not been able to get SSL to give back all the money and the other investors their money. They make public statements that say, you know, SSL should do the right thing and should give back Bolt, but to date, nothing has happened. All know Bolt not get back in money. The people might ask the question also, what kind of governance is this? The people are also saying, if an investigation would have cleared the Prime Minister's name, why them want the investigation to be put to an end? If that wouldn't then result into more speculation, into more people. So right now, we see the Prime Minister say, people are make misguided statements about the country's economy. You see, the thing is, and now look at the actual economic data. The thing is, while elected officials are look upon the data, Jamaicans are look upon them day-to-day lives. And them I realize every time them go to a supermarket, while the items where them buy might not change, because you know most people buy the same things. Most people know so them go in and them buy some snacks for them youth, them know the snacks them with them children like. Certain children they even really like certain snacks. So you buy snacks for your youth, them you have to know the one them with them like. And, you know what I mean? So most people buy the same things them every time them visit the supermarket and these places. What them I realize is that as well, people in North America that say them get less bang for them buck. Meaning the same amount of items, but more money for it. That is how the average Jamaican understands the economy. They must say if the economy do so good, why is it that them feel like them a work hard But them now see themselves, have enough money I put aside, have enough money for them can invest. Everybody I say, everybody millions that come from investment. Well, the average Jamaican we work day to day. Ask them, where them gonna get the money from to invest? Money go to bills and day to day things. There is no money to invest. So when the government say yes, the economy is doing good, and the people them just don't know, might be the very truth is. But the thing is, while the economy might do good, the average day-to-day people now make the money with them I hear about, knowing the position of elected officials. Them now see that money there. So the economy doing good, them now experience that same experience. Like there are people who say, yes, the economy is doing good. What is also happening is, because of what has taken place, things where the Prime Minister say, the people now have a negative view about it. Look where I'm going with the Guyanese Prime Minister or President. You know you say, for the National University, they'll be no fees no more. So just like in England now, people from that country who want to go university can go. It is now free. Now, the population will be at a higher level of education. You will have more university graduates from the country. Implant Vegi every household $200,000. $200,000. If the economy and the Jamaican island is doing so good, or we now hear these talk like this, I make. Or we now hear say the universities will soon be free. So all the Jamaican youth will go to school. And you know them say stay in school, stay in school. But after most youth get a 6C or a couple 6C, there are no jobs. And them can't go further their medication. Because they don't have the money for go do that. If universities were free, then maybe more Jamaican youth could have pursued academics at the highest level. Which some would say is a sign of a good economy. Tell me what you think though. Some people are saying it look good. And both definitely need the FBI to really look into what going on with SSL and see if them can help him get back in money. Because right now, look like the government can do it. It look like the government is equipped to get back both money. Them can make some public statements, but other than that, it's like them can't do nothing for help both really. Them still can't find both money. Up to now, they don't know about both money there. They don't know about money, God. They can't even locate it, but just get it back to you. But tell me what you think about the whole scandal that take place, the way it has played out, and now the direction the government seems to be going with it. But talk to me in the comment section if you're new to the channel, so pass through. Click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course, put it on all. Not tell the reason again, of course. My sentiments for you and yours is, of course, for you to live, love, and prosper, and for you to stay tuned.